Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today we brought you a brand new video on how to download or install Coinbase Wallet app in your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. To download, make sure your internet is connected. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody crypto wallet, meaning you hold the private keys to your cryptocurrency. This gives you more control over your funds, but also make it your responsibility to keep them safe. So whether you are crypto or seasonal pro, let's jump into the downloading the Coinbase Wallet app. Open the App Store. It's the one that looks like a blue square with a white A inside. In the search bar at the top of the App Store screen, type in Coinbase Wallet. Once you find the Coinbase Wallet app, tap the app icon. On the apps page, you will see screenshots, information about the app, and user reviews. Take a moment to browse it if you like, but when you are ready, tap the Get button. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID, Touch ID to confirm the download. The app will now download and install automatically. You will see a progress bar on the Get button, which will change to open once the installation is complete. Open the app, create a new wallet, or import an existing one to start managing your crypto. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.